Also letzten Samstag und dann heute hier. So, das Champions League Final 2003. Das ist ganz großer Fußball. Den Borussia nimmt den Ball und spielt die zu Bender. Neuer. Verdeckt war der auch noch. Wo sind die Bayern gut bedient mit dem 0-0? Soli belässt es dabei. Bei der Ermahnung und Weidenfeller gegen Mandzukic. Die Bayern haben dieses Champions League Finale jetzt. Abwesenheit von Badstuber. Robben, da sollte der Ball nicht hin. Aber Weidenfeller, mit welcher Ruhe der da entgegengeht. Und Robben von Bender. Lewandowski vorbei am Boateng, Neuer. Die Artisten miteinander jetzt mal durch die Beine, Robben! Mit links! Da ist es, 1-0 die Bayern! Die beiden Artisten unter sich. Mandzukic macht das Tor. Anlauf. 1-1! Alles wieder zurück auf Anfang. Ribéry! Robben! Jetzt macht er sein Tor! Bayern München ist Champions League Sieger 2013. Jupp Heynckes ist Champions League Sieger. Arjen Robben ist Champions League Sieger.
Playing in this final with Dash, he at least starts. So there are two prime fitness issues to keep an eye on. So blue chip. Kick off against blue collar. Waiting to play in a Champions League final. It's a terrible ball by Thiago. He's given it to Gareth Bale of all people, and Bale goes all the way through. But doesn't deliver the coup de grace at the end of it. And lets Thiago off the... Back by Van Casillas started to come. And is it? Well, it's in. And it's given. Amazing. The set piece has done the trick. And Atletico Madrid are in Wonderland again. Up steps Ronaldo. Oh, it's deflected. Courtois parries it away. Could have been worse on the corner for Atletico. Back, crossing from wide left. And Ronaldo going in. He couldn't get enough on it. Or a little bit less on it. It's Bale. He's going to feel it. He's away. Gareth Bale's in. Oh! Well, he's having the chances. We've got to put that down to a third one. Yes, it is. Sergio Ramos. Unbelievable. Di Maria. Oh, he's gone all the way here. And now. European Cup, Champions League trophy. It's his own country too. There it goes. It is 4-1. It looks like a rout. That doesn't tell the whole story. Iker Casillas. It's done. It's the 10th triumph for Real Madrid. Their Decima dream has finally become reality. Atletico still haven't got off the mark. Losers in Lisbon, but by the
teammates in direct opposition, Javier Mascherano and Carlos Tevez, played on this ground together in a World Cup quarter-final 9 years ago. Mascherano among 8 World Cup finalists in the 2 starting 11s. Messi is aware of Jordi Alba making inroads. Neymar's first touch just a little heavy. Nothing wrong with that though. Iniesta and a chance early on. Rakitic has put Barcelona in front inside 4 minutes. A goal that had Barcelona written all over it. Sharp passing, good movement. And Rakitic had the easy bit, just steering it into the net. Fantastic start for Barcelona. What's a ball in for Marquisio? And here goes Lichtsteiner. Chance for Tevez on the turn, terrific save. at his old club at Real Madrid and didn't celebrate. But Alvaro Morata has got plenty to celebrate now, and Juventus are on terms.
They just might ruin 2 or 3 of those opportunities that they've missed. They'll come back for more, of course they will. But let's credit Juventus. What about that for a fabulous bit of skill, vision, awareness?
Barcelona on the counter-attack. Little Messi on the charge. Messi! Saved by Buffon. It's in! It's Luis Suarez! It's Barcelona back in front. What a response! It's a fantastic final. Fantastic celebrations down in front of the Barcelona supporters. Luis Suarez's first goal for 5 weeks is the most critical of his first season at Barcelona.
Stunning, and they've done that so often this season. Once Messi gets here, in behind the midfield, running at the defence.
Forced away, Messi can counter. Neymar just onside. Now can they finish it off with a goal? Pedro. It's Neymar. It's game, set and match. Barcelona. The perfect finale. Decent Champions League. And if anyone's going to challenge Messi and Ronaldo as the best player in the world in the years to come, it may just be Neymar. 3 goals in the quarter-final against PSG, 3 in the semi-final against Bayern, and now a goal in the Champions League final itself. Barcelona are the best of the best again. Best in Europe, best in recent European history. 4 Champions League triumphs inside a decade. Nobody else has lifted the European Cup more than once in that time. Kroos in towards Bale. It's a chance for Sergio Ramos! And the man who saved the final 2 years ago has ignited the final this year. There were 92 minutes and 48 seconds on the clock when Sergio Ramos equalised for Real Madrid in Lisbon. Less than 15 minutes on the clock tonight, and the skipper has given Real Madrid the lead. Gabi, Juan Fran, great cross, superb equaliser by Carrasco. Oh, they deserve that. And this time it's Atletico who equalised late on. Yannick Carrasco has come off the bench to score. And with 11 minutes of the final, remember Real Madrid. Real Madrid, Royal Madrid, are kings of Europe again. Again and again. The giant trophy finds its way back home to the Bernabeu for an complete. It's Real Madrid once more.
1 gegen 1 mit Alexandro. Carvajal und Cristiano Ronaldo mit dem 1:0. Lang, aber nicht zu lang. Alexandro Higuaín, Mandzukic, schwer, aber nicht zu schwer. Was für ein Tor! Mario Mandzukic, 1:1. Aber sie kommen nicht rein. Doch! Doch! Sie kommen rein! Mit Gewalt! Casemiro! Wo rohe Kräfte sinnvoll walten. Modric startet, Alexandro ist dem anderen nicht gewachsen. Ronaldo, Tor! 3:1! Ist das der Treffer zu Ladure? Marcelo, Tor! Marco Asensio schießt Real. Das Spiel ist aus. Real Madrid ist Champions League-Sieger.